Riotouch has been a supplier of interactive educational equipment since 2010. Products include interactive flat panels, interactive whiteboards, full interactive blackboard, and the accessories. We strive for more interactive education, dedicate to make lessons more funny and joyful, inspire the next generation to be more creative. We work on developing unique educational products to global market and command the profit margins for our partners. Riotouch provide both R-Touch and capacitive touch interactive display. We have sizes in 65-inch, 75-inch, 86-inch, 98-inch, 100-inch, 105-inch, and 110-inch. All our products have gotten different certifications, including CE, FCC, RoHS CCC, ISO 9001, ISO 14001, HDMI. All the Riotouch's interactive display models come from standard back cover tooling molds that support more professional ODM. We also standardizing the main board to improve product stability. Further, our R&D team focus on software and app developing. We build our Android team and provide ODM and OEM services to our overseas customers, making unique software and apps to our clients, helping them get more government tenders and orders. Riotouch team spirit is think, do, use. We strive to create a more valuable employee development platform. We respect individual commitments and performance above the standard for our industry.